In this session, we'll discuss an important concept, collaboration. Scrum collaboration refers to the Scrum core team working together and interfacing with the stakeholders to create and validate the deliverables of the project to meet the goals outlined in the project vision. It's important to note the difference between cooperation and collaboration here. Cooperation occurs when the work product consists of the sum of the work efforts of various people on a team. Collaboration occurs when a team works together to play off each other's inputs to produce something greater. There are 3 core dimensions of collaborative work. Let's look at them one by one. The first core dimension is awareness. Awareness essentially means that individuals working together need to be aware of each other's work. The next dimension is articulation. Collaborating individuals must divide work into units, distribute those units among team members, and then after the work is done, reintegrate the units into a cohesive whole. The last core dimension is appropriation, which refers to adapting technology to one's own situation. The technology may be used in a manner completely different than expected by the designers. Now that we have an understanding of collaboration and its core dimensions, let's consider the key benefits of collaboration in Scrum projects. The Agile Manifesto stresses customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Thus, the Scrum framework approach in which the Scrum core team members, the product owner, Scrum Master, and Scrum team all collaborate with each other and the stakeholders to create the deliverables that provide the greatest possible value to the customer. This collaboration occurs throughout the project. Collaboration ensures that the following benefits are realized. First, the need for bringing about changes due to poorly clarified requirements is minimized. This will ensure that there's clarity among Scrum core team members on the work that's required to complete the project. The Scrum team collaborates continuously with the product owner and stakeholders through a transparent, prioritized product backlog to create the project deliverables. Thus, the number of change requests from the customer and rework is minimized. The second benefit is that risks are identified and dealt with efficiently. So, for example, risks to the project are identified and assessed in the develop epics, create deliverables, and conduct daily stand-up processes by the Scrum core team members. The Scrum meeting tools, such as the daily stand-up meeting, sprint planning meeting, prioritized product backlog review meeting, and so on, provide opportunities to the team to not only identify and assess risks, but also to implement risk responses to high-priority risks. A third benefit is that the true potential of the team is realized. So, for example, conducting the daily stand-up process provides scope for the Scrum team to collaborate and understand the strengths and weaknesses of its members. If a team member has missed a task deadline, the Scrum team members align themselves collaboratively to complete the task and meet the targets agreed to for completing the sprint. A fourth benefit is that continuous improvement is ensured through lessons learned in collaboration. For example, the Scrum team uses the retrospect sprint process to identify what went well and what did not go well in the previous sprint. This provides opportunity to the Scrum Master to work with the team and rework and improve the team for the next scheduled sprint. This will also ensure that collaboration is even more effective in the next sprint. And with that, we conclude this session on the Scrum principle of collaboration. Thanks for watching.